Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to use trial reels on Instagram. First, unlock your iPhone and open Instagram. Once Instagram is open, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right side of the screen. Tap the plus icon at the top left side of the screen. Different options will appear, so select Reel. Choose the video you want to upload as a trial reel. After selecting your video, tap Next at the bottom right side. Make any edits you want to your reel, such as adding music, text, or other effects. Once you're finished, tap Next again. Scroll down on the sharing screen. Under Audience, you may see the Trial Reels option. Tap on it to select the Trial Reel feature. Enable the Trial Reel option and share your reel. If you don't see this option, the feature may not be available for your account yet. Trial Reels availability can depend on Instagram's account eligibility and rollout. If the option isn't showing on your professional account, you may need to wait until Instagram makes the feature available to your account. And that's how you can use trial reels on Instagram when the feature is available on your account. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more Instagram tutorials.